Next one, change of scale property. What the statement it's saying, the change of scale property, what it was, if L of f of t is equals to f bar of s, then L of f of a t is equals to 1 by a into f bar of s by a. This was your change of scale property under a Laplace transform. In the inverse Laplace transform, your statement will be the reverse. L inverse of L inverse of f of s, which is equals to f of t, then L inverse of f bar of as it was f of 8, f bar of what it was, sir? Change of scale property.
1 by a into f.
It was in the form of f bar of as or f of 8 it was, sir? F of as, which is equals to 1 by a into f of t by a. There it was s by a, right?
Yes,
So your a has to be greater than 0. Yes. Now your problem, what they are asking here, if you know you have taken this statement.
no, just I'm writing it.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Your problem, if L inverse of s divided by s square plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 1 by 2 into t sine t, then find L inverse of 8s divided by 4s square plus 1 whole square. This value you have to find. What they have given? They have given one value, that is L inverse of s divided by s square plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 1 by t into sine t. Then what will be the value if it's going to be as an L inverse of 8s divided by 4s square plus 1 whole square? That value you have to find it over here. So how it's going to be? First write down your given one. With the given one only, that this one we can find out. Your solution, given L inverse of s divided by s square plus 1 whole square, which is equals to t divided by 2 into sine t, right? Now what I will do, wherever that s is there, I will write as an as, because change of scale property, what it's saying, L inverse of f bar of as, which is equals to 1 by a into f of t by a, it's saying. So by using that change of a scale property, so I can write the a as s is as an as I can write.
Ma'am, can you just scroll that up just a
See,
bit
this
up?
is the statement. Now I will use that statement. To get into this form, I should have along with s as an a I should have. So what I will do, I will write s is as as I will write. I will replace s as as, so that easily I can apply that statement. So it's going to be as in a what, when you're going to apply over here, Wherever the t is there, you have to divide by t divided by a. Did you got? Aditya.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now writing s as as. Oh god, I'll try and I will write. You'll get confused. I will replace s with as. So your L inverse of as divided by a square s square plus 1 whole square, which is equals to, when it is in this form, I should write that same it's equals to as in a what, 1 by a into f of t by a. So 1 by a, this 1 by 2 will be as it is, 1 by 2, then 1 by a, wherever the t is there, that should be divided by a. T divided by a into sine of t divided by a. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now simplify, just to simplify. L inverse of as divided by a square s square plus 1 whole square, which is equals to t divided by 2a square into sine of t divided by a. So what I will do, I will take this 2a on this side. So it's going to be L inverse of 2 into a cube. Later we'll multiply. What your a value going to be here? You get confused again. What value you are going to substitute here? What value? See here. Now compare it with your given one. In denominator, what it is there? 4 whole square there. Or otherwise, it's no problem if you cross multiply over here also. Just I will take this denominator on that side. What it going to be? I will take this on this side. So it's going to be L inverse of 2 into a cube s divided by a square s square plus 1 whole square, which is equals to t into sine of t divided by a. Now Semi, what your a value you are going to substitute here? See the question what it is there. 8s divided by 4s square plus 1 whole square it is there. So what value you are going to substitute here? Your a. A is going to be,
Two,
a is equals to,
two.
yes, put a is equals to 2 in the above step. L inverse 2 into 2 whole cube s divide by, but we are getting as in a different, no? Somewhat different we are getting.
I think it's supposed to be a square and not a cube.
See here, a into a, it's a square. When it's going to multiply over here, it will become as an a cube.
I think it's only t into sine into t by a, not t by a.
Okay, we'll keep that a one here only, like that only. T by a, and this is going to be square in that case then. Here should be as in a square. Here should be square. So it's going to be as in a what? 4 s square plus 1 whole square, which is equals to t by 2 into sine of t by 2, which is equals to L inverse of 4 into 2 it's 8s, divide by 4s square plus 1 whole square, which is equals to t by 2 into sine t by 2, which is your required solution. Yes, Aditya, any doubt over here?
No one.
No doubt.
No one.